Picture this. You're sprinting into a theater to snag those absolute best seats before anyone else. By claiming those front row spots first, they're entirely yours. So what exactly do we call that? Today's word is preempt. Say it with me. Preempt. It's a super powerful action word.
Okay, let's dive into this. The core idea? Stepping up and acting before anyone else can. This one core action actually applies perfectly to 3 totally different everyday situations. Let's look. And this brilliantly illustrates it. The seniors secured a physical advantage, preempting the best seats.
You've seen this on TV, right? Breaking news hits and totally replaces your regularly scheduled show. Let's move to and see how this builds. You can actually stop an argument by apologizing first. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is both spellings, with or without the hyphen, are totally fine. You might also hear preemptive. That's the adjective form, like making a preemptive strike to stop something. So, how about you? Can you use preempt in a sentence about stopping something before it starts? So, the crucial point is, preempt means to act first. What bold move will you preempt today?